up, y'all? I am back with another video for you, and today is my Forever 21 haul. So I just went there before I went and got my outfit for my 21st birthday party, or going out, because I am turning 21, or maybe if this was up afterwards, I'm already 21 by the time you see this, which is super exciting. And I was just looking for a dress, and I went into Forever 21 to figure it out, and I didn't really find anything, but I found these things. So if you guys want to know what I got at the Forever 21, just keep on watching. Okay, so first I got this sweatshirt, which is just, or sweater, and it's just this knitted sweater with some color, like, in the seams. It's like this on the white. I don't know how to explain it. So it's like on the white is like different colors. So there's like yellow, blue, red, purple, and you kind of can't see it unless you're like really close up. It's also crop top as well, which I really love with my high-waisted jeans. It is super comfortable as well and not itchy, so that's very good to find. And then it also has this little detailing right here where it's like little holes. But I am wearing a sports bra, which you can't really tell because I guess it's black, so you can't really tell. Next is by far my favorite thing I got at Forever 21. I am always seeing these fluffy jackets, but they're fluffy on the outside and then they're like silk on the inside. And I'm like, dude, just be fluffy inside and out. And I like never can find one fluffy inside and out. If I do, they're like 50 bucks. Like, why? So I actually found one, and this is actually in a size large, which I could not tell, and it's so warm. So here is that. My mom says this reminds her of Greece, but it looks like that, and it has this black on the rims, so on the sleeves, and then on the bottom of it. I've been wearing this for the past couple days, and it is so warm and cozy. I never want to take it off. It's like a blanket. And I am obsessed with this so much, and I'm so glad I found this. So if you're looking for one of these, go to Forever 21 because that's where they're at. I'm so glad I found this. Next I got are just these white knitted over the knee socks. And like I said in my Victoria's Secret haul, never go over the knee. They literally go below my knee. Being tall, that's an issue, but I just wanted some plain white ones. So I got those. Next, of course, I got some cat ears. Just little cat ears. Just what I would use to put on makeup. It's just a little cute little thing. And I thought it'd be cute for videos and stuff instead of using like that unique headband I have from my mom being Mrs. Indiana and stuff. Next, I got this pink mauve hooded jacket, so it has like a sweatshirt hoodie, which is soft, and then it just looks like this. I think it was super cute. I always wanted one of like these. I don't really have anything like this. I kind of have like jackets like this, but doesn't have the hood, and I just wanted one of these in my closet, so I found this and got it. They had a bunch of different colors, but my favorite color is pink, so of course I'm gonna pick up the pink one. Lastly, I just got this t-shirt dress, and it's in camo. Sometimes I love to wear camo. I just don't know. It's just something I like to do. And then sometimes like pairing it with red Converse I think is so cute. Maybe just because my competitive cheer gym was red. So like if we had to wear our camo like t-shirt and I like wore red Converse, I don't know. I guess it grew on me, that color combination, which I know is super weird. Or I can wear like my black Vans with these. But this is in a size small, and hopefully I have somewhere to wear this. And it's super, like, I don't know, it's just soft and cozy. So I'm excited to wear this someday, if I can, hopefully. But yeah, that is everything I got at Forever 21. And I hope you guys maybe found something you wanted to pick up at Forever 21. Probably that fuzzy jacket, because I know for me, I've been looking for one of those forever, and finally that I found one. I am so excited that I have it, and I don't have to wear my cheerleader jacket that I've had since I was a cheerleader in like junior year, and it's like my varsity jacket, and I just wanted to wear something else than this big jacket that I had. I'll probably still wear that if it's colder, but yeah. So that is everything I have. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Give it a big thumbs up so other people can find me as well. Comment down below anything you'd like me to do next, and also hit the bell notifications to be notified when I upload, which is every Wednesday and pretty much every Saturday as well. And you can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and my Facebook page. They'll all be linked down below. And I hope to see y'all in my next video. Bye!
I've patrolled these empty thoughts before, but I'm fixed now on the cure. I'm holding on to the last rock on the mountaintop, and I'm begging for your love. Do you remember the type of folk we used to be, and the simple souls we used to see?